Hi viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel Chapter Wise GK, the only YouTube channel to provide GK by chapter. Today I will discuss with you 15 important MCQ from the medieval Indian history which are very important for the upcoming examinations. And if you are new to this channel and find the content helpful, then please like, share and subscribe to support me. Okay, let's share the question. Question number 1. Which monument is known as the Dreaming Stone? Options are here: Charminar, Ajanta Caves, Panch Mahal, and Sanchi Stupa. The correct answer is Panch Mahal. Kindly note down that Panch Mahal, one of the famous structure of Fatehpur Sikri, is known as Dreaming Stone. It was built by the Mughal Emperor Akbar for the ladies and women of the harem. And also note down that Taj Mahal is known as Dream in Marble. Okay. Question may come from this point. Question number 2. The first Europeans to come India were British, Dutch, French, Portuguese. Who were the first Europeans? The correct answer is Portuguese. Remember that Portuguese sailor Vasco da Gama's discovery of the new sea route began the trade between India and Portuguese. After Portuguese, next to arrive was Dutch, who set up a trading post in Surat. Okay. Question number 3. Which Mughal emperor transferred the Mughal capital from Agra to Delhi? Jahangir, Aurangzeb, Bahadur Shah, Shah Jahan. The correct answer is Shah Jahan. Remember that the capital of Mughal was changed from Agra to Delhi by Shah Jahan in 1638 AD, and Shah Jahan's tenure is 1622 to 1658 AD. Okay. Question number 4. Which battle laid the foundation of Mughal rule in India? Options are here. The correct answer is, we know that it's Battle of Panipat. Okay, the Battle of Panipat was fought between Babur and the Lodi Empire, which took place in 1526. Okay, in which of the following towns is Moti Masjid situated? It's a very important question which oftenly asked in many Group D or Group C examinations. The correct answer is Agra. We know that the Moti Masjid, which is also known as the Pearl Mosque, is a white marble mosque inside the Red Fort complex in Delhi. It was built by the Mughal Emperor Aurangzeb from 1659 to 1660 AD. Okay. Question number 6. What is the meaning of the word Jahangir? It's a very interesting question. Okay. I think there is something wrong in the options. Okay. The answer is conqueror of the world. Okay. Remember that Prince Salim was the Akbar's eldest son who took the real name Jahangir. Okay. A question may come from this point. And also remember that he explained, that is the Jahangir explained, that there was an Ottoman emperor named Salim, which made him change his name. Okay. Question number 7. The silver coin Tanka was introduced by Kutubuddin Aibak, Iltutmish, Bahram Khan, or Ghiyasuddin Balban. The correct answer is, we know, it's Iltutmish. Remember that Iltutmish introduced the silver coin Tanka and the copper coin Jital. He was first to introduce pure Arabic coin in India. Question number 8. Who was Akbar's famous revenue minister? The correct answer is Todarmal. Okay. Remember that Raja Todarmal was a warrior, was one of the Navaratnas of Akbar's court. Okay. and he became the finance minister, that is Mushrif-e-Diwan of Akbar in 1575, and Diwani-Kul, that is the chief finance minister in 1582. Okay. Question number 9. Who built Purana Koila? It's a very important question. Okay. Akbar, Sher Shah, Aurangzeb, Babur. The correct answer is Sher Shah. It was one of the oldest fort in Delhi. Sher Shah began its construction, but it was completed by Islam Shah. Please kindly note down all the bulletin points along with the questions, because it's an extra information to the question. Okay, a question may come from this point of view. The official language of the Delhi Sultanate was, it's Persian. Okay, remember that Islam was the official language and Persian was the court language during Delhi Sultanate. And also remember that Hindi Arabic was also spoken in this time. Question number 11. Where is the Gol Gumbaj, the largest dome in the world, situated? The answer is Karnataka. Okay, and we know that Gol Gumbaj is the mausoleum of Muhammad Adil Shah, who was a Sultan of Bijapur. Okay, it was built by Asub Adil Shah. Okay, a question may come by asking you that what is Bijapur famous for? Okay, it's famous for the Gol Gumbaj. Okay. Question number 12. The Grand Trunk Road, built by Sher Shah Suri, connects. The correct answer is Lahore to West Bengal. Okay. Dash was the first Muslim ruler of Delhi. It's a very easy question. All know the answers. Kutubuddin Aibak. He was the former slave of Muhammad Ghori and first Sultan of Delhi. He founded the slave dynasty who ruled from 1206 to 1210 AD. Okay. Question number 14. What is the name of the hall of worship constructed by Akbar? The correct answer is Ibadat Khana. Remember that Ibadat Khana was a meeting house built in 1575 AD by Akbar in Fatehpur Sikri to gather religious leader. Okay. The last question. The French East India Company was founded in. The question was asked many times in the many competitive examinations. The correct answer is 1664, 1st September. We know that French East India Company was established in 1664 AD by Colbert, who was a minister of Louis XIV, the King of France. The colonial company was established in Surat to compete with British and Dutch. Okay, these were all the 15 questions which is very important for your upcoming examination. Okay, and if you like the video, then please share with your friends. Thank you for watching the video till the end. Have a great day. Thank you.